This is a Dynaway step-by-step guide on how to create a work order plan. Click on Work Orders and then select Work Order Plans from the toolbar below. Click New to create a new work order plan. Fill in required information in the description field. You can write your own description or select a description. The value has been filled out as an example below. Specify the asset number from the list which the maintenance job should be carried out on. In the Category Code field, click the arrow to the right to select a category code from the list. The value has been filled out as an example below. In the Checklists field, you can add a checklist to be completed before, during, or after the work is finished. Use the arrows to the right to select a checklist from each of the drop-down menus. In the Instructions tab, you can click Edit to write instructions for workers about how the work order should be carried out, etc. In the Frequencies tab, select the Frequency Type 1 off to create a work order plan with one work order. In the Plan Date field, specify the date when the work order should be carried out.